Hi, it's Terry Coatney, Coldwell Banker Realty with offices in Marietta, Ohio, and here in Vienna, West Virginia. Today I'm working on the Vienna, West Virginia office. If you're buying a home in Ohio, the title company, the lawyer, or whoever is doing the closing is going to ask you to wire the money, and they're going to give you instructions. They're going to provide you with a routing number. They're going to provide you with an account number. They're going to advise you of the bank that it's going to, and they'll probably give you a reference code so that when that money gets to that bank, they'll know that it applies to the particular house that you're buying. Now, here in West Virginia, they've also, some of the title companies like Best Titles now requiring that anything over 10,000, they want it also wired, and they will do the same thing. They'll give you instructions with those various numbers that you can take to your financial institution where your funds are located, and you will have your bank or financial institution forward or wire transfer those funds to those title companies or closing attorneys. Now, where the problem comes in is that this has been one of the new things that the cyber thieves, I call them, are attacking through cyber crimes. And so what they'll do is you've already got an email with instructions from this place that is doing your closing, and they will copy that email, send it to you, and say, hey, there's been a change. We need you to wire the money to this location. If you got any questions, call this phone number. Well, that's not the phone number for the institution where you're working at. It's for a phone number somewhere that they've got set up for somebody in Russia or somewhere outside the country, or a thief. It's cyber fraud is what it is. And if you do that, if you wire that money is gone and probably never be recovered. And who can afford to lose thousands of dollars of a house purchase? You can't. So if you are buying a house and wiring instructions are provided, you make sure that if you get a change from those wiring instructions that the title company gives you, that you call that title company, not the email that might have another phone number on it, which is to the cyber thief, but call that title company, verify, okay, are we doing a change here? Is there a new account? Or call your realtor and have him check it out or work with you on it. So anyway, that's what's going on with wiring. Before and past, when you bought a house, you could go to the bank, you get a certified check, you take it to the closing, and you close. Well, now in Ohio, you have to do this wire transfer, and also now in West Virginia, some title companies are requiring it also. If you got any questions about this or would like any more information, just give me a call and we'll talk about it. Everybody have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.